Hello and welcome to Lockdown Electronics. Thanks for dropping by. We're here because of the coronavirus outbreak in 2020 and then the ensuing lockdown that occurred in the UK, and I decided that rather than just waste the time where I was, if you like, not able to do much, I'd try and capitalise on it and try and up my electronic hobbyist skills. So that's what I did, and as a result of it, this is what you're seeing here. I'm not an expert. There's plenty of people on YouTube who are experts, and look for some links down below to some of the real experts, and I'm grateful to those for the learning that they've provided for me. Hopefully what this will do for you though is inspire you to have a go with modest equipment. You don't need to be an expert, you can be a hobbyist and you can learn and hopefully make good use of your time. So thanks for dropping by, and I hope you find some of the videos useful.